In this video, we're going to cover how to create a brand new Google Analytics account for a brand new website. And then we're also going to cover adding the Google tag to the new website, and the website will be in WordPress. So if you want to watch our last video, it was creating an account and adding it to Go High Level. This one is creating it and adding it to WordPress. So let's get started. All right, sign into Google Analytics and click on your admin, and then click on create and account. All right, so in the account details, I will be calling the account the name of my client. And you can decide to share data or not share data. I'm going to uncheck those. For the property details, the property name, again, I will be calling it the name of my client and selecting the correct time and currency and selecting the correct industry. And typically we want to look at the user behavior, accept the Google Analytics terms of service. All right, so because we're doing this for the web, we're clicking on web. And to get the website, I'm going to open the WordPress site in a new link. And I'm just going to grab the URL of the homepage here and go back to Google Analytics and put that in. Get rid of that beginning. Now we have the naked URL, and we'll call the stream name my client's name again with website following it, and click create and continue. All right, so if you click on show more options, you can actually say install with a CMS or website builder and click on next. And here we can actually use the Monster Insights plugin with WordPress. So what we will want to do is install the Monster Insights plugin, just like they say to do. So we're going to come to the website, come to plugins, and we're going to say add new plugin. Then we will search for Monster Insights. And let's install now. All right, once that's installed, we're going to click on activate to get that be an active plugin on this website. And let's click on launch the wizard. All right, so this in fact is a business website. And we are going to connect. Click on continue and connect to Google. I'm just going to choose my account and allow them to access my account. All right, now I will select the property that I just created. And complete that connection. All right, you can leave pretty much everything the same, so just click save and continue. And if you don't want them to add any kind of recommended plugins, I would definitely get that unchecked and click on continue. All right, everything is set up and we're going to complete it without upgrading. And now on the left-hand side of the website, you will now see this Monster Insights, and it is connected to your Google Analytics property. So if we just go back to Google Analytics, we can click on test installation. And it says our tag was detected. So click on done. And now you can see that everything is ready to go. So yeah, it's pretty easy, if you're using WordPress, to just kind of walk through that wizard and get everything installed and get connected to Google Analytics.